Okay, so we're going to talk about a Punnett square. And a Punnett square is really easy. You first just start with the window frame box. So we'll make a window frame box. And we'll use the information we had from the pea plants. We had a violet pea plant that we said was homozygous from the slides. And we had a white pea plant. So if it's homozygous, that means that we have to have 2 capital letters for the genotype because we use a capital letter to show dominant. And since the other flower was white, we know that we have to have 2 lowercase letters for its genotype because in order for the white to show, we have to have 2 lowercase alleles. So we're going to put this first genotype up across the top 2 boxes of our window pane. So we're going to put this P, capital P here, this capital P here. Now they're done. Then the other 2 we're going to put down the side. Since they're lowercase, I like to put them where they're sitting down on the bottom of the box. So now this P has to fill in both of these squares. So we're going to put a capital P in each square. This P has to fill in both of these squares, capital P in each square. Now just because it's the way that it's usually done, if there's a capital letter, we're going to put the capital letter first. So now we've got this lowercase p and it has to go across in both of these squares. Same thing here, capital P across in both of these squares. So now the Punnett square is complete. We've got a genotype in each box. So if this were the male flower, then the male flower was the one that was violet, and the female flower, then the female flower was the one that was white. So what this Punnett square tells us is the probability of what the offspring plants are going to look like. So in this case, all 4 boxes have a capital P and a lowercase p. Well, we know that the capital P is dominant and stands for violet, so that means that 4 out of 4 of these offspring are going to be violet in color. So 100% of the offspring from a mixture of this homozygous dominant violet plant and this homozygous recessive white plant are going to produce a heterozygous, because you see it's a capital P and a lowercase p, genotype offspring.